We shall see through this slide the planning and equipment, supplies for nursing care unit of the hospital. What do you mean by equipment and supplies? Equipment means all items necessary for functioning of all services of the hospital, including accounting and records, maintenance of buildings, laundry, nursing unit, etc. Both movable and fixed equipments are required for the hospital. As you know, supplies are those items that are used up or consumed, and has the term consumable is also used for supplies. The supplies in hospital includes drugs, surgical goods, disposable and glassware, chemicals, antiseptics, food materials, stationeries and linen supply, etc. Material management can be regarded as the function responsible for the coordination of planning, sourcing, purchasing, moving, storing, and controlling materials in an optimum manner so as to provide services to consumers at a minimum cost. Material management is that aspect of management functions that is primarily concerned with the acquisition, control, and use of material needed and flow of services connected with the production process, having some predetermined objectives in view. Material management is the integrated functioning and allied activities so as to achieve the maximum coordination and minimum expenditure in the area of materials. Next is the equipment management. Equipment management include all the related policies and procedures governing tribute from the selection and acquisition through the incoming inspection, acceptance, maintenance, and eventual retirement and disposal of medical equipment. Medical equipment management is a recognized profession within the medical logistics domain. It also includes the equipment supplies required to provide nursing care as well as to carry out the patient-related activities. Medical equipment management is recognized profession within the medical logistics domain. The purpose of equipment management is to ensure that equipment used in the patient care is operational, safe, and properly configured to meet the mission of medical treatment facility. Efficient material management and efficient management of inventory of materials in a hospital. This means making a list of materials on the basis of present and future needs, selecting drugs based on the efficacy, safety, dosages, form, shelf life, and availability of all the times and at affordable cost. The essential drug list of WHO can be used as a standard guideline for drug selection, procuring the right quality and quantity of materials within the budgetary constraints. Efficient material management, procuring and following the proper procedures for the safety, inspection, and accounting of incoming and outgoing materials, that is issued and used materials, and establishing an information system, properly storing, protecting, and preventing the deterioration of drugs, and ensuring maintenance and repair of instruments and equipments, disposing drugs and equipment, especially unwanted material, expired drugs, and unpredictable and unusable instrument and equipment. Aims of material management is to get material of right quality, of right quantity, and at the right time, at the right place, and for the right cost. Components of material management are as follows: obtaining, acquiring, storing, distribution, exercise, and control. Principles of material management: effective management and supervision, a sound purchasing method, skillful and determined negotiation, effective such a system, clarity, a simple inventory control program.